So what's up, folks?
What's up?
Hey, folks. We are doing a chocolate bar challenge for you guys. Something like that. This is not a sponsored video at all. This is just some chocolate bars we came across. My son loves to do just like spontaneous, different challenges, especially when it comes to food. If you guys follow us on Instagram, we did a quick challenge on an Instagram video.
Pie face.
No, we haven't uploaded the pie face video yet.
Oh.
Look out for the family pie face video as well. Cake face, where we all played the cake face game with the whipped cream.
That's fun.
But we did when we ate the ants. It was like white chocolate covered ants.
Yeah.
And then barbecue flavored crickets.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. What? Crickets or something like that?
Yeah, crickets.
Right. So
they were
today
good too. They were good.
It was pretty good. Did I eat the cricket? I didn't eat the cricket. I think I just ate the chocolate.
We were doing a challenge. Whoever ate the most.
Okay. Whoever ate the most.
Me and Hakeem.
Okay. There it is.
We love these challenges.
So, the name of the brand is Wild Ophelia Crafted American Chocolates. Okay? We've got Run Wild, Live Free. Gluten-free. Fair trade. Certified. Hey, look who's joining us. Here he comes, y'all. Uh-oh.
Get back, Sean.
Hey, Johnny.
You're not scared of the camera.
Wild Ophelia is a fair trade, non-GMO American crafted chocolate line that celebrates American entrepreneurial efforts and diverse cuisine through its all-natural and often organic ingredients sourced from small farms and artisans. Wild Ophelia founder Katrina Markov developed the brand as a tangible representation of her mission to inspire, empower, and help activate the next movement of female entrepreneurs. All right. You better work it out. Okay, so 70% cacao deep chocolate, sweet honey and hickory barbecue potato chip, dark chocolate bar with spicy kick of smoked paprika.
Uh-oh.
Then we have 41 cacao, rich milk chocolate, peanut butter and banana milk chocolate bar, all natural roasted peanuts, roasted peanut butter and Walua Kaua Hawaiian bananas and nana. And then 41% cacao, rich milk chocolate bar made with beef jerky and alderwood smoked salt. Yes, now we're finally going to actually taste the chocolate. Let me get this little pin thing out of my hair here. And I guess we're just going to pick one and we're going to taste it. You just don't need to close your eyes because we don't know which one is which. Okay? So we're going to all taste it at the same time and try to guess which one it is. All right?
Whoever guessed it gets a point.
There's no points, baby. Can we just enjoy? All right, everybody, you got to pick one from your row. Yes, baby. That's not your row, baby. This is your row. No, Donnie, what it taste like? Which one did you get? What do you think you got, Donnie? Go ahead and bite it, SJ. Bite it and think. Let me know which one you think it is. Ew. Which one is that? Let me taste it. What you think it is? Do you think it's...
It's a roasted peanut and the roasted peanut and I forgot what else.
Whoa. Whoa.
This is a roasted peanut.
Whoa. That is so salty.
I'm gonna try.
I think Donnie has the barbecue potato chip.
What?
What? I think that's the barbecue potato chip one.
What?
What you think yours is? Look at it. It is peanut butter and banana, barbecue potato chip, or beef jerky.
Oh, no.
Which one?
That one. I think that one. No, this is not.
Okay.
It tastes like roasted peanuts.
Yours has to be the beef jerky because I know for a fact that's dark chocolate.
Ooh.
Nope, I take that back. You're right. Okay, because the barbecue potato chip is the dark chocolate one.
Oh,
The barbecue potato chip is the dark chocolate. Okay, so the one SJ has is the... Thank you, Donnie. Let Donnie taste it. That's the barbecue potato chip with the dark chocolate. It's not bad. What you think? It's chocolate. Donnie's just going to eat it. He ate it already. I think it's the same one as that one. Hold on. Hold on.
This one.
You don't like it? Because it's dark chocolate.
I love that one.
So this is barbecue potato chip. What did you think of the barbecue potato chip?
I taste it.
This is the first one you bit. This is the one you've been eating.
No, that one I've been
It's the
eating.
same one, then.
It's
Okay.
Good. It's good.
This one...
It's kind of hot at the beginning.
Ah, yeah, and it said that. It said, with a spicy kick of smoked paprika.
It's
So?
hot right here. Not that hot.
Got a little spicy kick of smoked paprika.
It's not that hot.
Okay. And it's dark chocolate, so it's bitter. It's okay. What you think? You liked it? Okay. Did you like the dark chocolate? You liked this one? The dark chocolate? Okay, Donnie didn't like the dark chocolate. Most, what 3-year-old do you know, would like dark chocolate? Okay, so we found out which one that is. Go ahead and pick the big one up. You bite it and see what it tastes like. And then let me see. Wait, Donnie. We're gonna try this one.
Oh, it tastes like poop.
Tastes like poop.
Yes.
How you know what poop tastes like? Go ahead. What did you
It actually tastes good.
Poop tastes good?
No, it doesn't taste like poop. It's actually
You
good.
alright?
It tastes like strawberry, kind of.
What it tastes like, Donnie?
It's the roasted peanuts. It's the roasted peanut. It tastes like peanut butter.
It tastes like peanut butter? And you said roasted peanuts.
But no, I think it tastes like peanut butter too.
But that's what it is. I guess this is the peanut butter and banana. All natural roasted peanut butter and without kawaii Hawaiian bananas. I was looking for the banana. But Donnie tasted the peanut butter. SJ tasted the roasted peanut.
No, peanut butter. It tastes like peanut butter.
I know, baby. It has peanut butter in it. That's how we found out which one this is. All right. So, now, let's try another one.
I know this one.
Go ahead. Let SJ bite it.
This has to be the green one.
I hope. If not, it's going to be the peanut butter one again. Don't eat it all. Which thing to taste it to? You're so lame. I promise you're so lame sometimes. Okay.
My turn.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm
Taste
out.
this one. Oh.
Oh. Oh my god.
Taste it.
OMG.
What does it taste like, Donnie?
It
You like it? You like this one?
OMG. It smells like peanut butter.
And this no, not like peanut butter.
That is
Okay.
that tastes like a roasted hot dog with jelly on it.
Sit down. A roasted hot dog with jelly on it.
Oh my gosh.
Please don't take offense to this at all, because this is just children's opinion of the chocolate.
Oh my
That by far
Okay.
was the beef jerky. Anyway, that concludes our fun, wonderful chocolate challenge for tonight. I think the beef jerky, the milk chocolate beef jerky was not a no-go with us. But somebody might like it.
Not me.
Peanut butter and banana. It was pretty good. It was good. The boys really liked it. They tasted a lot of the peanut butter. I thought it was okay. I'm not a big chocolate fan. I thought it was okay. I was looking for more banana, but it was pretty good. So we got thumbs up on that one. The sweet honey hickory barbecue. Oops. This one was really crunchy. It was okay. What did you guys think about the barbecue, Donovan?
Good. And I got that right.
Yeah, you did. Excuse me. Are you finished with the chocolate? Okay, say bye. Say thanks, folks.
Like those subscribe, like the like button.
Like the like button?
Or
Or push the like button.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. There you go. Say, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Don't forget to
Thanks for joining us on Mommy Monday.
No, Spider Monday.
We had a wonderful time trying the chocolate. And Wild Ophelia, if you have more for us, be sure to reach out to us.
Darwin Monday.
Because as you can see,
Darwin Monday.
Darwin Monday.
Darwin Monday. Bye-bye.
Until next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Everybody say ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Yes, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.